In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin tabs in Google Chrome. If you're someone who frequently uses the internet and manages multiple tabs in your browser, this simple trick will make your browsing experience much more organized and efficient. Let's dive in and learn how you can easily pin tabs. First, let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. You can find the Chrome icon on your desktop or within your Applications folder. Go ahead and give it a click to launch the browser. Once you have Chrome open, you're on your way to learning how to pin tabs with ease. Now, the next step is creating a tab that you want to pin. To do this, you'll need to create a new tab and start searching for something. You can either use the search bar at the top, entering a website URL, or a keyword that you'd like to learn more about. This is a crucial step as we need an active tab to demonstrate the pinning process. Open as many tabs as you like to see how pinning can help organize them effectively. After you've got your tab ready, navigate to the top of your browser where the tab is displayed. This is where the magic happens. Hover over the tab you wish to pin so it becomes highlighted. Now, using your mouse, right-click on that specific tab. Right-clicking is essential because it opens a list of options that you can perform on that tab. Make sure you're right-clicking directly on the tab, not the page content or anywhere else, to bring up the correct menu. In the menu that appears, you should see an option called Pin. Go ahead and click on Pin to secure this tab in place. As soon as you do this, you'll notice that the tab shrinks down to just the icon or favicon if it has one, minimizing space taken by tabs and creating a more visually organized layout in your browser. The smaller size helps keep your tab bar uncluttered and ensures that your most important tabs remain at your fingertips without getting lost in a sea of open pages. Even after pinning, you can still interact with the tab just as you would normally. It's important to note that pinned tabs automatically load when you reopen Chrome, so your efforts to keep certain tabs accessible doesn't go wasted. This is super helpful if you have websites you frequently visit, such as email or project management tools. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pin tabs in Google Chrome. Pinned tabs are an excellent way to maintain a tidy and efficient work or browsing environment. We hope this simple technique helps streamline your online activities. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.